Hey guys, quick one on how to stop a squeaking Gardena hose reel. So we've just used a screwdriver and popped the cap off. I've then pulled out the various parts in here. So one of them being this one, which is the hose connector, and this one here, which goes into inside the unit there. For this one, using a Sinico O-ring nitrile one. These O-rings are from Bunnings, quite cheap actually, about $6-7. And the biggest one in the pack is the 18 by 4, basically the largest one in the box. I put some MX6 grease, which is compatible with plastic. Put some on and then put the O-ring over the top of the grease, and did the same one for the other piece, so only uses 2 in the unit. And then basically you just reinsert the pieces and put it back together. You might need a little right angle screwdriver to get at the locking collar again, or one of the little stubby screwdrivers. But yeah, all in all, not a bad task, and quite easy to do a quick service once you've got the grease. Yeah, it only costs a few dollars in parts, and hopefully good for a bit longer before it starts leaking or making a squeeze. Separately, if you are finding the hose reel isn't always running true to the center of the roll, I did another upgrade here where about 8 centimeters of spacer from your wall, and that will have it running, if you look, centrally to the roll. So that was just one I picked up that was very easy to do, just having a long screw that goes into a wall plug, so 4 of those, holds it very securely. And yeah, I'll show you a picture once it's all back together. And just inserting those pieces back together so you can see where they came out from. No real issues there. Alright, and just using a little attachment there to a spanner to connect this collar back up, and then we're pretty much good to go. Alright, we're all done now. Both sides are just slightly tightened, and hose back on, and we're gonna wind it back on the reel. Okay, so this used to squeak like crazy before. Now it's smooth as butter. And just the last step. Done. Thanks for watching.